Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Zippay's account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, to log into your Zippay's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Zippay login and make a search. You can see the search results are displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link appeared on the page and it will take you to the official page of Zippay. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. Check your password by clicking on eye icon to make sure if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Now, after entering your email and password associated with your account, click on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Zippay's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.